Alright guys, I got the back side of the fitting here that's got our 1.5" for the Pittsburgh. You want to have Mr. Thumpy McThumperson here. Let's do it. So first thing you do, I don't know why I got that song in my mind. Actually, the first thing you want to do is cross break it. So get your opposite sides, give it a little bendy. Like that. Looking good. Now we'll flip it over. This is the back. And we want to come in here and get it on your 1.5". Make sure you're right on that line because you want your Pittsburgh to look good. And then you're going to go take old Thumper and you're going to thumper him down. Then you're going to bend that up. And you're going to take old Thumpy again. Bend that down. Nice and straight. Then you're going to open up your brake, slide that under, smash it down. Makes a nice Pittsburgh. You guys can see that. Do the other side. No reason why, you can't spend $200 and do this instead of, watching these guys make these, either use an S-lock or they just do a half-half and screw it to itself. You can do this without screws. You don't need screws. Thumpy. Makes a perfect Pittsburgh every time. Go get yourself a $250 brake. Well worth the money. And then this is the back side, so this is going to stay up. Bottom's going to bend down 90 degrees to screw to the floor. Just like that. Okay, I won't bore you with the, actually I'll go grab one of the sides and I'll show you how we're going to do that. Okay, here is this would be considered the right side. So let's get him in there. Cross corner.